Today we talk about how can you create webhook on your Shopify app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You keep going down here and you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on webhooks. You click on it here. Then you come to this list and you click here on create webhook here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Add here your event and here format. That here you add your site web here and here your IP here version. Then can you choose it? It's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.